Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Which of these was a corrupt business practice that Frank Norris exposed in the Octopus? Railroad companies selling land to farmers and secretly keeping legal ownership of the land. Railroad companies receiving land grants from the government and attempting to sell the land. Railroad companies charging farmers and ranchers to transport goods and livestock to their land. Railroad companies purchasing land from the government and improving the land. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.